Again, our daily Sudoku practice continues. Welcome. Today, yes, it's a weekend. Today, in the daily newspaper on October the 19th. Yes, let me show you. October the 19th, Saturday, 2024. We have here two regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the medium Sudoku with 3 stars, and this one I will solve in a minute. Tomorrow evening, on Sunday, I will solve this one, the Samurai Sudoku. And in the weekend edition, we have not so good news. We have only one. No, we have only a puzzle page. The puzzle page with 6 extra puzzles, 2 stars, 4-star Sudoku, Killer Sudoku, 2 binaries, one with 3 stars, one with 4 stars, and the Jigsaw Sudoku Tectonic. We have no extra puzzles for the Sunday. So for the Sunday we have only one puzzle, the Samurai Sudoku. Let me show you. In this puzzle we have, in this newspaper we have really no additional. Yeah. Yeah, it's a pity for in the weekend. If you have the spare time for in the weekend, you want to puzzle, but no extra puzzles. Only these 6 puzzles in the puzzle page. First, let me start with the medium Sudoku. This one. Alright. The other 4 puzzles in the puzzle page I will do in the evening first. This afternoon. This medium Sudoku with 3 stars. And this will be number 9458. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. I've not counted yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 28 printed digits. Wow. 28 should be an easy one. Yeah. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 28. 3 digits more. Should be a 0 stars. Yeah, 0 stars puzzle. I need to be faster than 14, 13 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is it a 3 stars or 0 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. The one in this row, the one in the second row, so the first row, third row, the only place left for the one should be there. The 2 in this row, third row, 2 in the second row, so the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square, one of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, third column, no 4 in these 2 boxes, 1 box left for the 4 in this big square, should be there. 2, no, 3 in the 7, 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column, so in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 3, 3, 6, 6, 6, 6. 3 missing numbers in this row, 1 of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 1 in this row, should be there. 1, 1. 6 and 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5. He's missing and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Then let me see. 3, 3. 3. Oh, no, 3, 3. Okay. Need a 9 here. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Need 4 here. Need a 1 here. Yeah. In this column, last column, we need a 1. Here can be 1. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. So we have 1 in this column, 1 in one of those two boxes in the third column, last column. So the column between. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. We have a pair. 2 and a 4 in this column, 2 and a 4 in the last column. So the column between. Only 2 places left for the 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6, 6. Okay. Then let me see. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for 5 should be there. 5, 5, 5, 5. Yes. In this big square, we need a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in this row, 5 in one of those two boxes in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the second column, so no 9 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and a 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have 6 in the last row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left now in the second column for numbers the 1 is missing. And the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this middle row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. No 1 goes there. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 now in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 4 goes there. 4 in this row. 4 in the middle row. So the row above. The only place left for the 4. I should be there. 4 in the third row. 4 in the second row. So the first row. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the middle column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so they'll come next. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. This is number 1 and 4. Then let me see the 1 in this column, the 1 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes early with the 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. This is number 2, number 1. Alright, 2 numbers left now in the last column for numbers 1 and 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing, 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 8 goes there. 1 box left now in the last row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing here. Okay. Alright. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 9 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for 6 should be there. 1 box left in the first column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Two numbers left in the middle row. For numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8, 9 is missing, 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then two numbers left in this column. For numbers the 1, the 2, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. One box left in this big square. For number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Two numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. Two numbers left now in this column. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. Two numbers left now in this big square. For numbers the 1 and 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there, 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row, so the third row. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then two numbers left in the third row. For numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. One box left now in this column. For number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Two numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have an 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be in, the 6 goes there. Final two numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow. We solved it again. Told you. Should be at 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 13 minutes. So well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the puzzle plates. Until then, bye-bye for now.